Well, the markets end the day mixed. My name's Des here at Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, June 9th, 2015. And the spiders just squeaked out a hint of greenness. Yeah, the diamonds down 0.06%. Basically flat. NASDAQ basically flat. Small caps down a little more, down 0.33%. But the banks in bullish territory yet again, up 0.8%. Silver down a smidgen. And gold up a smidgen. Then you have the US dollar break even. Everything was just break even, break even, break even. VIX, which is the fear indicator, simmered down, dropped below 1%. And taking a look here at the markets, the S&P ETF called the Spider, SPY, using tradingview.com. And we're in this big rising wedge, and we sort of drop. But what's interesting with this, and I'll blow this up so we can see it. I mean, this is such a close, man, I'm getting a bunch of texts. Let me move my phone over there. I don't know if you guys could hear that thing vibrating. And it's hard to see that, even that cross line, because we basically broke very even for the day, coming across right there. So we have this doji after an extended drop. Now, if you guys remember, while we were up here, remember how we rallied up and I just said, you know what, I'm going to go flat the market and until the market kind of figure out what it wants to do here. Flat the market means I've sold all my positions. All my positions were sold. And with that, we drop. Hindsight, I wish I was short all this, but you would never go short in an uptrend. That would just be crazy. That'd be insane. That would be an amateur move. We're not amateurs. Certainly not amateurs. So what we're doing here is we wait for drop. But what's interesting here, after this extended drop, now I'm starting to lick my lips, thinking that there's a juicy opportunity here. A doji after an extended drop at a support level gives me reason to think I should go bullish now. However, I didn't go bullish yet today. I will go bullish if tomorrow we get a higher high and a sizable pop, and I'd want to see more volume flow in. If I get that, I'm looking to go long, even if it's short-lived. It might only go up for a few days here, maybe throughout the rest of this week, before it hits its head and then starts to drop again. I could easily see that happening. Up, and then drop. But there's some bullish activity. I think there's some activity here if we make a new high. If we make that new high, we should be looking to go long. However, if it makes a new low down here, it could be a nasty red candlestick right here, and it'd be a bloody looking thing. And if that happens, it will just send the markets into a tailspin. However, so let me show you something. Here at TradingView, if you click on the little light bulb, all these dots pop up. Well, you'll notice this one's a triangle. You will not see a triangle. The only reason it's a triangle on my chart is because I'm the one that added this idea. They're called ideas. All these are people's ideas. You can get on here and look at different people's ideas. And green means you're bullish. Red means you're bearish. So this guy or gal, whoever said bearish here, was right. It just continued to go down. If you'll notice here, this is my bullish thing, and we just went up. Here I've got another one. I'm saying bullish, but I'm only saying bullish if we get a new high. Now, if you want to be alerted to my ideas, all I ask you to do is go to tradingview.com, go to the Spider, SPY, click on the little light bulb, and then go to today, and you'll see a little green dot down there. When you hover over it, you'll see by Des, owner of Grok Trade, and click on that. And once you click on it, then you will be able to follow me. And so I welcome you to do that. Let's get rid of these ideas. Let's go to the diamonds. Diamonds, we have a spinning top at the extended bottom. Looks like an area of support. Looks like we're ready to go higher. NASDAQ, Nice little pop, kind of a hammer, too big of an upper shadow to really call it a hammer, but I'd say it's hammer-esque, if you will. Small caps here still remain above a support line. We did go down below, but we closed above it. And I think this has got a nice chance of going higher. Banks, up, up, and away. I mean, this dude is just on fire. Markets can't crash when the financials are going this strongly. Silver still above this support line. I thought we'd be looking for a rally here. It's not quite ready yet. Gold, I said down here look for a pop, and we did pop, but it's not, you know, I don't know if I would just play much around this thing. Anytime you get these gap down run-ups, this dangly white one, usually good things happen. It rallies after that. We got that. We are rallying, but still dangerous nonetheless. Let's go over here, take a quick look at some tech stocks and any big movers. LinkedIn up 2.2%. Had a nice, wow, look at this, rounded bottom formation, popped up high base, so it looks like LinkedIn is a buy. Taser up more than 2%. Oh man, I missed that, and I've talked about it. I said I'll be watching for this to break out, and it took off without me. But you know what, I wasn't going to buy that anyway because the markets were very it's just too wishy-washy for me. I'm Twitter down oh man, low base breakdown. Stay away from Twitter. All right, so let's wrap this thing up. A lot of you wonder, how in the world do I come up and figure out how to go long, when to go flat, when to go bearish in the markets? And it's because I had a trading mentor. That's the name of the game, trading mentor. And people who are long through all this gave a lot back to the markets. So I give you my insights, but it pales in comparison to 3 days of full attention to all the tips and tricks that we do in the markets. These are little 101, very informative, but not highly educational videos at all. It's the mentorship that really shows you how to pick these stocks, where to get in, how to protect yourself in those stocks, and how to exit to maximize profits. Listen to the next segment of video here, and I'll give you some more information. What I want to show you is this. I'm going to pull up my personal trading account. This is Interactive Brokers, and I'm going to show you and point out a few things. If you look here, I have a list of stocks that I'm holding and my positions, the price I got into them, and the market value. Coming over here, this is my unrealized profit and loss. So at this moment, I'm up just over $19,000. And my winners at the top, the losers here at the bottom. And what I did was I realized $21,000 on Friday. So I sold a number of these off, kind of shaved down some of my position sizes, took the profit, and I made this profit within the last week or two. So I went up another 20,000, taking my wife on a nice trip in a month or so. So I'm pulling some money out. And anyway, that I'll be cutting a check or have them issue me a check probably today or tomorrow and get that done. Another thing I want to show you is an email that I just received yesterday, and this is from a Grok grad, Dr. Craig. I'll give you at least his first name, and we have some chats going back and forth. It says, great, yep, made some money last year watching your videos and doing what you and the cat taught me. I know lots of people have made money this year. I added this year because the market was up about 35%, but I was up over 50%, exclamation point. Anyway, that's nice success. We applaud success. We love hearing success stories. This is a Grok graduate. His account is basically darn near doubled what the markets have done. And his account grew by 50% because of that. So it's very nice. Anyway, you've already set the perfect foundation to become a great trader. What we're doing is going in and looking and devouring charts. So by the time we're done with mentoring, you're going to have some very important skill sets. What we're trying to do here is make money. Ultimately, what we're trying to do is make money, but we've taught you to trade and trade well and let money be the byproduct of that good behavior in the markets. So what's in it for you? After taking this mentorship, you're going to reach a new level, mastering your trading through technical analysis. You're going to gain secrets to instantly judge and identify the very strongest of trade opportunities that are out there. You're going to know how to professionally trade the easy to spot chart patterns for swing and day trading, stocks, ETFs, futures, or currency. We're going to give you the step-by-step instructions to master advanced entry techniques. And there's going to be a heavy concentration on must-know trading patterns for the biggest money makers. The class will teach you how to instantly scan through your charts and trade the very best patterns, and ignoring those that simply suck our valuable time in the markets. We're going to teach you how to avoid from getting killed by those pesky false breakouts and breakdowns. And we're going to even teach you advanced ways on how to exploit opportunities to make money on them. You're going to reach a master's level when it comes to position sizing and how you scale in and scale out, and the strategies necessary to be able to do that with great confidence. You're going to learn an extreme amount in these 2 days. Your education has already given you a foundation to help you become a master trader. So what I'm asking you to do is enroll into this class to allow us to help make that a reality for you. So what are we doing? We're doing a mentorship. Why are we doing this? We know that not all of you guys are reaching your full potential in the markets. We're here to help you make that a reality. Do not hesitate. I hope you get signed up and join us. You will be so happy you did.